Okay, so we were gonna go sit over there by the fireplace, but that door was opening all by itself because the wind is blowing so hard outside. It's crazy. The weather's been weird.
It just did it again.
It just did it again?
We missed it. We missed the ghost.
I want to see the ghost. Okay, guys, so these are the new toasted baguettes with, is there anything on this sandwich? Oh my gosh, this is the worst looking sandwich I've ever seen.
That's a buffalo one.
Oh, bull crap, this is going back.
Smoky buffalo chicken melt. No, shut up.
This is going back. Look at this crap. There's nothing on that. The flatbread pizza.
This is the pepperoni mozzarella melt.
These
and
are
this
horrible.
is the goodness.
What?
I'll eat it still.
Yeah.
You'll eat it still?
Yeah.
We're gonna try it. The green godness capers melt. That's
Hold
probably
on,
gonna be the
guys.
best one.
So look at the bread there. And there's some bread there. And there's some bread over there. I'm sure the bread is amazing if you like bread.
Okay.
But these things look.
And they're $10 a piece. $10.59.
$10 a piece. How much is the baguette normally? Do we know?
It comes with your stuff.
No, I mean if I ordered a baguette and made my sandwich at
I
home.
don't know, Jack.
I'm just curious. Okay, yeah, open it again. Which one's this?
This is the pepperoni mozzarella melt.
Okay, guys, these sandwiches look really bad. These look like all bread. Look.
This is the smoky buffalo chicken melt.
That's not even covered in chicken.
And this is the green godness capers melt.
Okay, that's salad and some more bread. Unbelievable. These sandwiches look awful. Not awful. They literally look awful. They look like they put nothing on these sandwiches. So, anyway, I'm not sure. We're gonna try them, but I think I'm gonna have a mouthful of bread and nothing else. This is illegal. Look at this. I mean, they're gushing with ingredients and absolutely nothing in our buns. Zero. Awful. I'm not sure which end to bite. Because they both look awful. My mouth's all spit and I'm all upset. That is like the worst sandwich I've ever ordered in a restaurant. Ever. That I can remember since I've been on the show. Here we go, ready? It's freaking bread. It's always bread. I got a mouthful of bread. Okay guys, you want bread? Come to Panera.
Okay, so you want to know the best part of this meal?
What is it?
The coffee and the chocolate croissant.
I didn't get any of that.
It's because I went and got them.
Okay, are you making fun of the food I ordered?
I am, 100%.
Okay, what did you...
So far this is just bread and there's hardly, look, can you see how little sauce there is on there? Like,
Okay.
so this is the pepperoni one, and yeah.
Well, you're mighty quiet.
You're eating the same one I am. So
I'm
there's
just
hardly
eating.
How do you
enough sauce.
know? How can you tell?
It's just pepperoni.
Because it's all
Yeah,
red
little bit.
because it's got bread.
and got cheese.
Okay, sweetheart. So, give me your review. Go ahead.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's the nicest my wife's gonna get on this sandwich. Okay, so I'm a little bit calmer right now. Some of us had a rough day. So anyway, I went up there, I said, this is the worst sandwich I've ever ordered, ever, like anywhere. California to Tennessee. So let me give you the conclusion now, because I love to give credit when credit's due. So the manager politely took me over to the cash register, gave me all my money back, we showed him the receipt, and he even offered me a cookie. He goes, hey, you want a cookie? He did, seriously. And he offered to
Why did you
give
say
me...
yes? I would have eaten it.
Jeez. I'm trying to wrap up the end of this video. Okay, so anyway, so I said, no, but I'd like a Chipotle chicken sandwich instead, because I haven't had dinner yet. So he was gonna pay for it, and I'm like, no, I'll pay for it. I said, I'm not gonna be that guy. I'll pay for it. Oh, my chicken sandwich is ready. I gotta go.